Are you a sales ops or growth marketer trying to enrich your lead list fast? Are you tired of wasting hours of manual research for contact details or using tools that don't even work? Why did the screen freeze again? Oh, don't tell me it's another bug. Well, you're going to find this video extremely useful then, because in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to ZELIQ's V2 of the Enrichment Hub, a feature designed to save you hours of manual work by enriching your lead lists for you with up to 50,000 leads per list enriched in just seconds. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is the Enrichment Hub? The Enrichment Hub is a tool within ZELIQ that allows you to enrich massive lists of contacts with your leads, phone numbers, and email addresses, all from a single CSV file and within seconds. In order to use the Enrichment Hub, all you have to do is go on ZELIQ, go to Enrichment Hub, choose whether you want to enrich emails only, phone numbers only, or both. After this, click on Start Importing and Enriching and upload your CSV file. Before we move forward, keep in mind that to enrich your contacts, you will need to upload a CSV or XLSX. Who named it like this? File. In this spreadsheet that you're going to upload, we will need three key things: your lead's first name, last name, and company name. And here is a pro tip. Leads that include a LinkedIn URL plus a company domain have a 30% higher chance of being enriched, so make sure to include that whenever possible for the best result. Once you uploaded your file, click on Continue, Save and Finalize, and launch enrichment. Here you have to wait a couple of seconds until we find the most accurate prospect data by our 7 different data providers, and ta-da! Your enrichment is now done. Once the enrichment is done, you can choose to either export the enriched data in a CSV file format or add them directly to your leads in ZELIQ. If you add them to ZELIQ, you can immediately start engaging with these leads through various outreach methods within the platform. You can segment your leads based on specific criteria, send automated email campaigns, and conduct LinkedIn outreach, enabling you to send them LinkedIn messages, connection requests, or visits to their LinkedIn profiles. You can also track your outreach performance with detailed analytics, but we don't have the time, unfortunately, to talk about that in this video right now. So if you want to know more about our sales analytics, make sure to check out this video right after this video. Don't click off. Now let's talk about what we did to make the Enrichment Hub even better. Even though the Enrichment Hub was already powerful before, we just added new updates, and the V2 of this feature is even better. You can now see which leads are being enriched and which aren't, and by which provider. You can also check email deliverability to ensure your outreach lands in inboxes. And you can also get insights into your enrichment rates and credits spent to ensure you're maximizing your resources. Another cool thing that we added is that you can now launch 2 types of enrichment depending on your number of credits. So we have the total enrichment, which is the enrichment you're going to have if you have enough credits to enrich the entire file that you upload. We also have the partial enrichment, which happens if your credit amount is less than the number of leads in your file, and this option will enrich as many leads as possible until your credits run out. This is an option and a feature that we're really proud of because we're currently the only ones on the market offering this option, and this flexibility makes it easier for those who are on a budget to get their leads enriched but also manage their budgets at the same time. We also did a lot of user interviews in the past few weeks, and the global feedback that we got is that the Enrichment Hub is perceived as the simplest and one of the highest quality in the market. So we're really proud of this feature, and I'm sure that you will love using it too. If you want to start enriching massive lead lists with ZELIQ, you can click the link in the description box below to sign up for our 2-week free trial. And if you're curious about how you can automate your LinkedIn outreach using ZELIQ, make sure to watch this video next.